Welcome back to Timeline Radio Sports. It's your go-to channel for sports info, where we actually get bold information and also my opinion regarding our signings with PSL Soccer. Ngihamba nomfowethu la uPungani igama lami uDumsane wakaKhumalo. Mfoka Khatebe. Sawubona baba.
Siyaphila kunjani mfowethu?
Siyancenga mfowethu.
Hayi, nosibonga mfowethu, sijabulisa nje indaba ezimnandi, even though most yazi kwama rumors kodwa ayakusenandaba.
I know, aswajabulele ama rumors, and then futhi siphinde sibakhumbuze nama viewers ukuthi if umusha siyacela ukuthi ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ulike, uclick nebell leya bathi ibell ukuze ungakwazi ukuthi ungaluzi izinto ke ama show esizowafaka la.
Yawa.
Asingene mfoka baba sikhulume ngama transfer ukanye zonke nje all the burning issues khona manje ku PSL singabheka kuma Soweto Giants. Yezwa abafowethu lapha nabasayinile basakuyasayinwa left right and center.
Yeah mfethu, okay, before ngiqala I would like to send my condolences to the Msibi family. Ubaba Phumlani Msibi bafethu siyamazi osebenza ka SuperSport osishile. So sithi umndeni ududuzeke singawa Timeline Radio Sports. Also futhi I think ngizwe nange former owner eMamelodi Sundowns. So I don't remember the name, but former owner eMamelodi Sundowns.
Luche.
No, lo
Umlungu.
Yes. Naye futhi ngizwile ukuthi sekadlulile emhlabeni, so sithi sithumele nje leyo mlayo sokuqala. Then ayisingaqhubeka ke mfowethu. Yeah. Bese kuphi konje?
Bese lapha ya exciting. Leza zikujabulisa.
Yeah, zona ziyajabulisa mfowethu yabo. But kuna something engibonile negative. I think going to signing Ngamboli.
Okay.
PSL players, I think badinga a hard lesson. We don't need player behavior otherwise, especially on and off the field.
Okay.
Now you player nje will be professional. It doesn't matter ukuthi ukuphi. So nginalento ukuthi amanye player wa deserve a second chance, because kuzoba buhlungu ukubona iplayer elifana uSipho Mbuli uThotilia eWall futhi na kuPirates. Yabona arriving eJimini adakiwe ukuba ne-influence nje embi kuma young players. Leyo nto asiyidinga South African football. So for me, personally, it's a bad move. Like Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns, they don't need such behavior. Yabo. But ke asazi mfowethu mhlawumbe uzochange esingisho ukuthi for me personally bengeke ngimnike second chance uMbuli because uyahlupha. But for a team asazi mhlawumbe uzoshintsha uzoperforma because uyistar uMbuli uyadlala. Like nami bengingamsigna, but into ebizosixabanisa nje bekuzoba ibehavior.
Yeah, but okay, while still up guys guma behave, kunalento le ukuthi man, okay. I wouldn't say mina abantu aba deserve a second chance or I deserve. One thing that I've noticed ukuthi most yama player wethu la ngathi ba talented, hey man I misbehave. Kwenzakalani kahle kahle? Yini siko baloyiwe?
No, I problem ama team I think abanayo I discipline right for ama players mabenza into ezikanje. You know, unokubona I player uzobathi lifike lidakiwe eJimini, then lizo suspend one game, then igame elandelayo sekakhona uyadlala. And for mina ngibona ngathi akusi punishment enough leyo, yabo, because if uyenzile wena this week, nami ngisengayenza next week, more especially bangabe le game ezayo angifuni ukuyidlala or ngicabanga ukuthi ayikho important, yabo. So ngicabanga ukuthi punishment iyo ekumele ithi mfowethu.
But we are results driven, remember. So awungitshele ke we star ngucoach. Kumele ngiyowina lapha ya. Kufuneka ama results bese ngibeke ebenchini mina ngithi ngiyakuphanisha ngivuma ukuthi team ithi hayi hlala 5 games ungadlali or sikhathi salary yakho something like that.
Umthetho mfethu. Umthetho kumele respect so that discipline the others laba bezayo.
Athi mina ngingawini manje as a coach. Because serious, yazi kunalento leza abojabupula badlala amanye ama game badakiwe bakora kwi-team yabo thatha ama Coca-Cola Cup. So somehow it's unfair for a coach because at the end of the day if ngiyaluza then kumele coach ahanjiswe ngendaba yokuthi uluze igame and kuthiwe lela player lingadlali lela no coach uyalithemba, yabo. but anyway ke that's it. It's fine. Mani ngibone iBhakaniya ithatha the bold decision ngokusayina ucoach ukuthi yazi okay mina angazi noma mhlawumbe indoda leya yegama le tongue twisting sisazo izo deliver kanjani ibone kanjani i-decision eBhakaniya yokusayina like the new coach eBhakaniya.
This one is difficult mfethu because asikwazi ukumjaja before sibona ama games approach yakhe ukuthi njani yabo. So I think kumele simnike chance yabo, but ngokumrate kwami yabo ngihamba nalamanye ama fans wePirates angekho happy yabo because no angimjajanga, ngiyamnika chance because angimazi kangako. The time beka coach Marumo Gallants bengafocusanga kuye kakhulu yabo. So kuPirates obviously most of the fans were eyeing uPeter Msimane, were eyeing uRolani yabo. At least mhlambe ke ne coach ephuma overseas yabo. So le sonke ishockile, but as you've said ukuthi it's a bold decision, so it is every chance if sibone ukuthi yini lenza ukuthi baze bamcabange yabo, because thina kungenzeka ngenzeka thina simthathe kanje simthathe kanjani uzoza nomsebenzi omuhle yabo. But I think most of my fans are happy ngale decision.
Also another thing, guys, Pirates, they played that coach, but we're not 8-0, you know. So also Pirates going back to sign the same person on defeated 8-0. Red flag. For me, I think it's a red flag.
Yeah, but ubuyile wabashaya 2-0. Was it 2-0?
Because I think
uyo badle 2-0 kule game ebaphazamisile ligini.
So somehow angeke sizomjudge ngento yini buya Marumo Gallants. Like okay, Marumo Gallants is a small team, guys. Like lento lena sikhulumile since siloku sikhuluma ngazo ukuthi okay kunama small teams nani. So Marumo Gallants is a small team. My fear ngocoach ukuthi ngayenzeka afika afuna ukuchange almost yonke into ngoba because I feel ukuthi mhlambe babheke indaba zokuthi i-style of play nani yasondela kule siya coach oqeda ukuhamba and then angakwazi ukuthi continue na whatever le uJose bekayibuild. Yona mfethu ngiyazi abocoach abaningi bayayibalekela lento ukuthi abafuni kube nalento ukuthi no, like before sike saba no Rolani kwathiwa hayi uqhubeka emsebenzini kaPeter yabo. So ucoach unokuzama ukushintsha there afuna ukuza ngento yakhe bese mayifela la usothola khona ukuthi ama fans aba impatient. So ucoach mina ngicabanga ukuthi it's a good advice ukuthi nje aqhubeke ngale scheme. Yes, he can add 1 or 2 players but anga change boma 4-5 especially ku starting 11 mfethu ngoba kuzoba ne problem yabo. But njengoba ngishilo ukuthi I think ama fans kumele abe ne faith nje, that's all. Because asikwazi ukumjudge angakadlali. It's difficult for me now ukuthi sizothi sifuna ama fans ukuthi abe patient, more especially for a team ukuthi ibe number 2 like second best. So obviously if uJose bekaqhubekile probably bekumele ngabe baba ama contender no sibheka ukuthi baye win league or something like that because by improve instead of which by pants. So if manje sizothi ababe patient, that means I team yoqala kabusha futhi like I rebuild. And also if ucoach lo ayenza kahle, then what that gonna say about abonabi abafikile bathatha isizini or so before bazokwazi ukuthi bantu ba produce ama results. So uyabona ukuthi I balance somehow.
Ngiyayizwa mfethu point yakho yabo, but ke ama team lawa awafani. Remember Nabi ufikele teamini ukuthi iskebe besinga, bakafika uNabi vele iskebe besinga lapha, but lo uyendaweni la ukuthi khona now ungaya ngeconfident ukuthi no iPirates team yakhona ihlangene yabo. Just nje bangaphazanyiswa ukuthi if ama player like njengoba sazaborele kunama offers angenayo nani yabo, like itori zabo sale ngaka understanding kahle ukwenzakalani yabo. And even the project aseyinde, so anything ingayenzakala kwamanje yabo. So I think the difference hiyo leyo ukuthi ucoach yena uyethimini ebalancile unlike abanye abo coach nje abafika nje ithatha seyibheke phezulu mfethu ayakufana inyala. But ke the other point mfethu bengifuna singene kuyo kakhulu, ngiyabona ama team ku PSL bayakhipha yabo. I'm worried mfethu, Kaizer Chiefs barelease ama-player yabo, Orlando Pirates bayarelease, AmaZulu bayarelease, mara ngiwabona ama-signings.
Okay. Yazi lento le yama signings I think mostly remember ukuthi i-window period ayikavuli nje.
Ivuliwe mfethu.
No. Ivula nge-1 zaka July. Angithi ama-contract wama-player.
Okay.
Ama-contract wama-player phela nge-30 zaka June.
Yeah.
So mayiphela nge-30 zaka June. So then nge-1 zaka July, then that's when you can be able to sign officially. Yabo. So whoever that you have signed now, sithi khona manje iruma like ePhakania ngoMbuli, okay, iPhakania isayine uSipho Mbuli, but bazoba unveil like bazoba unveil after like June. That's when they can be able to say, which okay, we've already signed this one. So that means check after July, maqala July, mangabe basayine player then bayale introduce ukuthi sign ebani, babasayine bani baya introduce. Namanje kusakhulunywa ngokuthi for example iKaizer Chiefs ithi uDove ngo-June makaphela and then uyahamba. Ayi ukuthi uhambile akakahambi. Usase iKaizer Chiefs player no. Uzobe out of contract June and then bese again ikhana zo reveal wherever. So like khona manje iKaizer Chiefs bakhuluma ngendaba ukuthi kune Nigerian striker bayisayinile shockingly inabo ma 4 seasons so ku PSL ubeka dlala kumaZulu yabona.
But ke iyangiconfuse manje this thing because with uSipho Mbuli I've seen an official statement sePirates ukuthi bamsayinile, and even if you can check kunabantu ebese bapostile and you can tell ukuthi this is a website the Orlando Pirates, unlike these ones ezenzwa ama-player because la kuphume khona i-new kit ye 2025-26 season ePirates, that's where ngibone khona uSipho Mbuli yabo. So these ones
okay, I think the other thing that we can look at, uSipho Mbuli had a contract nani ne Sundowns.
Yes.
So Bega still contracted to Sundowns
Yes.
or by terminated.
That one I don't know. I think Zomele check.
Was it terminated? Because if a contract is terminated, then that means that player can be actually revealed anytime.
Yeah.
That's when bakwazi nokusayina even after into le window period sevalile.
Yeah.
So mina one thing that I've noticed ukuthi wonke ama player assign manje and then azovela immediately after mangabe segundo after June,
Yes.
and then that's when they will say each Kaizer Chiefs will do that press conference bakuvezele wonke ama player wabo ama jersey if sebana ama jersey number ukuthi okay ubani uzobaqoka lokhu ubani uqoka le number le, but before then like abayenzi nabo previously wonke ama player bawo introduce ngesikhathi esi1 and then mabaqeda ba edala bawa edayo.
But my point kule conversation is no, it's about
free agent. So if I'm a free agent, it's easier ukuthi ngam-introduce because so before I sign an Orlando Pirates, I free agent. So that means if Sundowns terminate a contract or something, that gives them every right to which bangam introduce again bazon. But
but now my point again, even khuluma ngayo kula ma signings. I've seen a team release 9 players, but signing 5. So the problem yami lapho. Njengoba ngikade ukusho manje ukuthi PSL teams ba release more players but basayina ama player amancane, which I fail to understand ukuthi if ufuna ukuba ne squad esiyo compete uyenza kanjani lento le, because masinga check ama player abazo unveil angithi wena uthi silinde unveiling inumber izobe equal to inumber yalama player.
It won't be equal.
Why is that?
Okay, the reason for that, kuno ubani lentwana le, Sibusiso Urban, Sibusiso Khatebe. Sabelo Khatebe, yes. Sabelo Khatebe didn't even have that much impact with Kaizer Chiefs. So by releasing Usabelo Khatebe and then you saying you want to replace Usabelo Khatebe, or replace Usabelo Khatebe in which way? Because you will either get another youngster ezongena ihlale lapha ebenchini because akunanto ethile engako ngathi beka yenza. But if uzothi mhlambe uhambisa uChivaviro, then mohambisa uChiva Viro because ubekadlala i-striker ukuthi mhlambe kufocus kuyo, then you need to get another striker sizokwazi ukuthi replace. So there are other players ukuthi noma bangathi uyawahambisa sikho isidingo sokuthi uzuthi uyawa-replace because of they were doing nothing at the end of the day.
And also, guys, I'm a football club. It's a business as well. My attention since more players. Maybe I'm a finances our phone. Yeah, there's a South Bank more so they can get more money.
You see,
so the player often get it require you get by. You understand? They have to sacrifice maybe certain players in order for them to they can afford the player often getting. I think answering in player cost it can be one of the reasons. Because end of the day it's business.
Yeah.
You understand? Like any other business, but you have to change if maybe business science malanga or whatever budget abanayo.
I allow, yeah. Yeah, no, gents, in sense, the way nibe ngakhona both of you. It's just that as ama fans sometimes sinokuba confused ukuthi especially like Chiefs going to ECAF. You might think ukuthi kumele ba add more players, yabo. So mani ibeka nge-business side no yazwakala madoda.
Yeah, but also adding more players. Remember, we're not looking for players, but we're looking for quality players. So people that will be productive at the end of the day. As ukamba kuka Dove, I've heard people saying ukuthi besakaqala uyajela. Firstly, umdala lo muntu leya. Labo i-age yakhe ayisavumi uzomkhipha laphayana uvale neslot sama like sama foreign. And sometimes I wish ukuthi ngabe bathi uChiva Viro beka i-foreign because makahamba kuvuleka ispace ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi kusayinwe like other quality players. Okay wabo.
But lento age yona unfair sometimes because releasing uDove una 31. Yeah. Signing uMarco una 31. It doesn't make sense.
It will make sense perhaps ngendaba yami finance depending ukuthi uMarco uzothola malini uDove uthola malini because obviously angithi nabo labantu laba imasalary wabo lokaya increase. So mangabe uzothatha uMarco uyakwazi ukuthi okay, I'm giving you an opportunity ongeke uyithole anywhere else. So you playing for iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi ibrand on its own and then ukwazi ukuthi uthole whatever salary lo itholayo. So kungenzeka ukuthi uoptele for a salary cut uMarco and then mangabe kuhanjiswa uDove then we are saving.
Yeah.
Yabo ngokuthatha uMarco. Then uMarco angeke afake ipressure ngako uzobafaka nje idiscipline nanokuthi ke abafana abancane bafunde something from kuye as a backup. And anyway i-age singasho sithi problem but khumbule ukuthi kune age yebhola phela kulabantu laba.
Yeah, no, the way beyangikhona yazwakala, let's hope that's true ukuthi kuyanegotiate yabo. So if ayikho kanjalo then izobe ngasebenzi mfethu. Right, ngibone kulama player signwayo. I'm not sure ngalamagama lawa. Okay. Kaizer Chiefs kune midfield bathi Ethan Chislett.
Yeah.
Then ngibone igama laka Igadaro. Yeah, ngizwile ukuthi uyakhala.
No, this time I'm complaining.
All right.
Like the Asras I'm complaining.
Then upaseka Marco obviously naye kule radar. Who else?
Ubani Munyani.
Oh Thabo Munyani. Yeah. Okay, since you mentioned lamagama, if you were a Kaizer Chiefs fan or if you are or happy ngalamagama.
As in honestly, okay, ngizothi siye ku striker sethu ngithema ngimcheck ne ngibona ukuthi at least akahlaliseki yabo. I think that's one other thing esingayisebenzisa. You know that like that Nukovic style nyana uyaphithizela useboxini so ufaka i-threat. So if angaza nale mentality there with our young boys abo Shabalala abo Vilakazi then kuzoba nale anto leyo ukuthi at least uzowathola ama loose ball because at the end of the day if kunomuntu ofaka i-pressure and then amabhola ayakwazi ukuthi kwenza ama mistake. So let's just give that thing le benefit of the doubt or maybe siphe ama fans we Kaizer Chiefs hope ukuthi maybe bangamthola umuntu ongakwazi ukuthi abaskorele manje since bagcina vele ngalezi enkathi lezi azabona uKovic ukuthi kuthole someone ukuthi ngathi uyakwazi ukora because yena ngimbonile ukuthi hayi unama goal unyana sazi ukuthi maybe it's because of bekadlala kuma small teams or yena as a player can be able to produce but mina I will still have that faith ukuthi anga deliver ku Kaizer Chiefs.
Okay.
Yes. No. So abo bani lo umlungu wakho lo yaba midfielder le mina mfethu no ang feel like okay angali wasemzansi bathi uyafuneka kuphi Devon player yeah. But I don't feel good la muntu lana khona into serious azofika yenze lapha yana with abo Mart with abo bani like uthi abocele wenza ispan esiphelele ku Kaizer Chiefs so kuzohamba abo if uCastillo uyahamba nakho inhliziyo yami ingaba buhlungu as a fan emzansi elebhola ukuthi because that guy I feel mina ukuthi uletha something ukuthi team iba stable iba yini so if bekuya ngami ngabe iKaizer Chiefs amhambisi that person yabo then ukuthi bahambe bayolanda belungu le abadlala ibhola esingalazi ushayise 2 goals sinini sekuyavela sengithi hayi ufuna iKaizer Chiefs and everything so mina for mina ngeke ngimrecommend yabo but the two Paris players I think akusi abalahlanga that much yabo the other one mncane the other one emdala hopefully uthatha pay cut yabo akwazi ukuthi asave imali zabo Bobby yabo for retirement
no I feel I think la kuma signings nama rumors wakhona mina
covered ngibone nikhuluma ngoShalulile ngale Pitori ukuthi unqaba ukusayina ngazi ukuthi iqiniso lingakanani lento yakhe ukuthi uyanqaba ukusayina maybe is it because of mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi seka achievile seka right ufuna challenge enye maybe to go to other PSL teams azokwazi ukuthi at least amnikeze leyanto leyo yazi mawuhlele endaweni wanesikhathi eside or maybe unama offers from overseas
no for me I think I decision kaShalulile I right if vele walile one bese angasadlali kakhulu uShalulile I don't think if uthi favorite kaKhadoso so I think it's a wise decision ukuthi aphume ayodlala kwenye team I'm not sure whether la ku PSL noma North Africa because it seems like ngathi thina nje ama players wethu iplayer malithi liya succeed amele lize North Africa which must come to an end sometimes as ngoba leya destiny ngiyithanda mina for mina nje ama player wahambe like njengabo Tawu mfethu bayodlala boma Belgium bayodlala boma England yabo so uShalulile mfethu no ngicabanga isikhathi sakhe sishayile
I think also man uShalulile if angahlala nala season is gonna die because already we are faded like
ngancane
and also right now at least kushaya 100 goals isn't it so CV yakhe isase bethanyana ukuthi can still get more offers elsewhere but if angafoster because of inyuka hlala nala season icareer yakhe izobe izophela according to me next year looking at how things are going okay but also abashoti ngayo kuSundowns
and the other thing kumele sibheke singabheki iside la ka coach kuphela ukuthi akamdlalisi nayo uShalulile momfakile akakori instead uhlala offside njalo offside yabo
since kwa matches
since kwa matches nje uShalulile akasekho right
okay but with that actually in mind do you think ukuthi khona la ngafitha khona mhlambe ku PSL ku Bacania ku Chiefs mhlambe kulama team amakhulu nje masibheka ku
yazi the problem is most wa ku Sundowns at least imele uzama ukulenda lapha Kaizer Chiefs or ku Orlando Pirates
okay wait mawusuka ku Sundowns imele uzama ukulenda
yes remember Sundowns yisiling so uShalulile if uyawa ngoba ukuwa phela kayini izangibala lika Pondo liyaphela njengabo uSirini uyile no it's a fact
yazi akusiza manje lika Pondo it's such you know ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs I will talk about Kaizer Chiefs it's the team ebhadala kangcono than the two big teams esikhuluma so mawukhuluma ngezambana lika Pondo are you talking about isala
yazi but I offer better my player they can pay my player good man right but obviously then they are going to right now Peter they want to negotiate they understand we know it pays better but do they actually pay better than Sundowns
they actually pay better than the Sundowns George Libisi George took a pay cut makaya ku Sundowns what Kaizer Chiefs was offering him ukuthi extend the contract
mara besides that kukangakhi sibona ama player ku Chiefs na ku Pirates bahamba baya ku-Sundowns and the
Money.
quality players
I don't think-
la ithini badinga khona kakhulu like
I don't think it's about money.
George Maluleke.
I don't think it's about money. I think it was mind games yaga Pitso Msimane George Maluleke. Remember, if Kaizer Chiefs never let George Maluleke go, Kaizer Chiefs bezothatha league.
No, we don't know that.
I'm telling you.
We're assuming. No,
Okay.
no.
I'm telling you.
Ah,
It was going to take a league. And immediately mangabe aqeda ukuthatha uGeorge Maluleke. And azange amsebenzise futhi. Ukubona. Kube yilapho nalapho. So it was a strategy leso. And enye into I think edonsa ama player like ne-Sundowns. It's a matter of ukuthi uyodlala eAfrica, uyodlala kuma Club World Cup into ezikanjalo. So players want that
Which is
for
a ceiling
themselves.
for me.
Okay. Yes,
It's a ceiling.
we understand, but now sikhuluma money wise like yabona.
Yeah, but amanye ama-player is not about imali. Bayakutshela nakuma-interviews ukuthi
Yes.
thina it's about ukuyodlala ibhola.
It's about ukudlala ibhola, yes.
Yeah.
That's why mangabe yabona khona manje if sign play kokuqala into echeckwayo ukuthi okay i-Chiefs ye-Africa and then uyakwazi ukuthi at least motivate ukuthi ungasign.
If
Okay,
I
babo.
check, just check which team badala more PSL right now. What is that?
It's followed by Kaizer Chiefs.
But who's the highest paid player?
So we'll check it. But right now,
Yeah.
down here, but
Yeah, noma i-highest paid player ingaphuma ku-Sundowns, ingaphuma Kaizer Chiefs.
But we don't have-
Uzothola ukuthi
In average.
right now, Chiefs.
So we talk.
Last person
Yeah. I will say yes.
Mara
if you
walile
say
na
right
ku-interview.
now.
Walile ku-interview.
You know, with the last person who was kicking Dolo was getting paid.
Yeah.
You get paid. But right now, Scott Son of Kaizer Chiefs, I doubt.
No, yazi ungathola kwenzakalani.
Nokovic, we're there right now.
Samir Nakovic is currently the highest paid active player in the league.
Yeah.
So udlala kuphi Nukovic?
Galan Boot,
With a reported
TS Galaxy.
930,000 per month.
Have that man.
TS Galaxy ngani ngale ngisheshe zabo ngale zayishweshwe
Ungabadeleli.
Team so
Mara
Oh, okay. Highest earning South African base for kick and ball.
that was by then. That was by then. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. No, it's fine. It's fine. Kaizer Chiefs yapata.
Yeah.
Okay.
But nazi into engisho yini kuwe ne? Ungathola ukuthi even if the highest paid ngaphuma Kaizer Chiefs. But masingahlanganisa imali like the whole amount i-Sundowns iyekhipha imali eningi.
Mara nesquad esiningi, nesquad esikhulu. More than any other team. You need to understand that.
Disputing with Sundowns, Badala better than Kaizer Chiefs.
Still dispute.
Tumsane mfethu.
Still okay. Yazi, maybe singakhuluma with money.
Obviously,
Which one?
they have the money.
Which one?
They have the money.
Leba lokubayiwina.
Leba lokhu bayiwina njalo mangabe ubekathatha ama cup then bese ama player eshare.
No, but
Ucabanga ukuthi yonke imali bayashare.
And most
Last
right now, people who say with Sundowns this season, they've bought the money.
Because they spend
they spend so much.
Yes.
They spend, I think, almost 400 million. Tell our own players. But how much are they? In Club World Cup alone, it's almost $1 billion about Yenti. Which is to us, as an account, but they've spent 400 million. They buy Wisa back. You're okay.
The profits.
The profit record.
Yeah.
So business wise, it's a good business move.
Yes.
But compared to the Chiefs, with only 7 million about Yenti this season.
with only 7 million plus number sponsors. So yes, we need to plus number sponsors.
Yeah,
Yeah. So but yeah, ngithuswe le nto ukuthi uthi kumele awele yabo.
Oh yeah.
But we on ushalulile ukuthi do you think ukuthi angafitha mhlambe ko Pakadia uMechiso wakhe angawuthola back or ku Kaizer Chiefs?
To be honest, ushalulile la South Africa no.
Awumdingi la South Africa.
I don't think kune team emdingayo.
Sekayiqedile imali yethu.
No, not ukuthi iqedile imali, but I think ibhola lakhe man. Angiliboni lifita kulama team, yabo. So ngicabanga ukuthi angayozama elsewhere. Yeah. So
Okay. No.
lapho mfethu hayi ngicabanga ukuthi ngaba ngconywana.
Okay. Yeah, then while sisase kwi Sundowns, and then I think uchikuthache another touching story lana regarding the Club World Cup. Yeah. Drama Club World Cup.
Yeah, British no Club World Cup. Yeah, I think for our players, ne, ngiyazi ukuthi hungry bayayifuna and stuff, but for bona it's more about scouting, yabo.
Recognition, yes,
Yeah, ukuthi
yes,
at least bababone la bakwazi ukuthola ama-team abhethe sibonile unumber 10 wethu lapha we-Sundowns. Already sekunama interest France, yabo. So hopefully angangabuyi mfethu ngoba uyasilimaza ngalesibhebhetho sakhe.
Kodwa manje isibhebhetho lesi kathi why bebangasiboni sonke lesikhathi?
No, remember abanye abantu banokunyatha yabo, banyatha iligi yethu, yabo, because the way performa ngakhona ku-Club World Cup labantu abakaboni next mele babuze thina la.
But sengisho ukuthi from ngale la bekakhona or ngale bekadoba amafishi angadlali bhola.
Sometimes uthola kwenziwa na ukuthi i-talent eliningi, yabo, so akho easy ukuspot umuntu if nonke nenswembu, yabo. Ngicabanga ukuthi lokho because uphume e-country ene-talent ngediski, so bekumele isolate kuzabonakale, yabo, eze ngapha akwazi ukungena.
Hey, no, like iyazwakala, but there are so many things. I'm a surprise pack. I've seen Noble Lodge shining. Like Benz and Jess Bugayo, people even saying ukuthi bekungasi fault ka Rulani laphayana because their team in no logic fail.
Yeah.
So be no Rulani plus no logic, but manje seselling no logic. But ke ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo, yes, abo Dortmund ba dominator as like kuama team vela amakhulu expectedly so ukuthi ba dominate. Na futhi enye like ukuthi khona manje indaba ka Jose Rivero ukuthi head ukuthi manje uphumile kwento kwi-Club World Cup due to ukuthi team yakhe ayiperformanga according to my expectations.
Yeah, mfethu sometimes bayasho ukuthi elifini kunama greener pastures. Sometimes they are not that green. Yeah, uzobona masofikile ngara but mara ngathi ayikhona, yabo, kuzoba tough for yena, kuzoba tough and coming back siyazi ukuthi ngale Egypt banjani mfethu. So
but do you think it's like are we too quick to judge? Actually, aren't we too quick to judge him as a coach?
No.
Like
ngizokubuza ngelinye ilanga. Ngizokubuza yavula isizini manje.
Okay, even if noma bangathi uyafika uyaflopa kanjalo, but guys ukuthi like man, it seems like I feel like you are being too quick to judge man, which is expected maybe ama results kuye avele kanjalo or because of sikhuluma ngokuthi Al Ahly.
But the team itself, it's like that. Besides my friend, the team itself, you know what's how injured.
Yeah.
So already born, and maybe if because more accepted gig, if you get a job and we accept that to be a Club World Cup, you understand?
Yeah.
Next stage, and he knew what to big teams, and you know African teams are performing better than a team like Rome.
Yeah.
You understand? So now at this span, he knew very well that things might not go well. You understand? We're just hoping to see Al Ahly him judging with these results.
Yeah.
But knowing Al Ahly, they can do it.
But I think that was also the motivation for him ukuthi athathe lesa span because uyazi ukuthi makaya ku-Club World Cup uzokwazi ukuthi asho ukuthi yazini hayi bafethu niyazi nani vele ukuthi hayi bayasichaya labaya basichamba imbayi.
Yeah, mara it's a bad performance uya ku-Club World Cup ubuye ungana win, and I think the first goal bayithole nge-last game, which is very embarrassing, especially for a team efana ne-Al Ahly la Africa besinga-expectanga. Yabo, I've seen abantu complaining about Mamelodi Sundowns, which for me, I think for now, basa perform better, winning one game, losing one, and with a respectful score. Going to the last game, Sundowns just need to be brave. Angela Piolwa, we are not better, yabo. And the appetite win, a draw.
So Shuguti uMenjiku wase Brazil uzohlala ku play liyi-1 ngani.
Yazi i-world stage. Ihlala nawo lama shock nyana lawo yabo. Adliwa ama team amakhulu mfethu singa expectanga.
Yeah.
So we just hope nje ukuthi Sundowns futhi izobuya ne win.
Ayi ngoba yona i-Club World Cup shema ne team ekoro 16 goals. In 2 games. Yeah,
but we hope nje ukuthi kule last game yabo futhi South Africa ngaba behind them. Siyazi ukuthi ama noise neighbors kwabanye but okwamanje badinga support mfethu.
Kuba
Chiefs nabo Pirates.
Oh, bengisithi kimi mina ngi-neutral.
Ngiyakwazi.
Ngi-neutral hayi.
Ngiyakwazi.
No hayi.
Yeah.
Ngiyacabanga bafuka ukuthi sithathe almost zonke ngathi ziyashisa
Yeah.
for tonight. Angeke siziqede zonke yabo.
Angeke siziqede
So
zonke,
asishiye space for yabona i-dessert.
Yeah.
So hayi abungani.
No.
Mina ngijabulile ukuba nawe hayi. Njengomfowethu.
Yeah, sibonga mfethu. Nami ngibonge kakhulu hayi, ngibonge kakhulu mfethu. To the viewers at home bafethu siyabonga support. Niqhubeke lapho subscriber nibheke namanye ama platform wethu bafethu. Siyabonga kakhulu for the support. Good night.
Just a dream.